Hey everybody, Ryan Nocera here from Precision Trading Labs, and I'm going to do a quick review of Apple after their earnings announcement. I know a bunch of you are struggling with the current market because of just it's a chop fest, right? And to have earnings of the biggest company in the world and not know what to do. Let me see if I can give you guys some guidance. Hopefully, yesterday you joined us for our live trading session of the Fed announcement. If you didn't, I put it on YouTube, so it was a fun hour or so. And right now, I'm just going to get into Apple. Let's see, Apple's right here. So here's Apple. It's a 4-hour chart. Let me see what it looks like on the daily. Bam. Okay, they reported earnings last night, and they had a nice gap down this morning. Cool thing is they gapped right down into a demand zone on. I was looking at it on the 4-hour or the 195. So here's a daily chart. Okay, and there's the zone here. If you were using the daily chart, here's the thing: you would have missed it. But you see how it basically swung up, gave up all the gains, and then gapped down this morning, and now it's recovering. It's Apple. I mean, not to say it's always going to do that, but we're looking right in here. So just because it did it today doesn't mean it's going to the next time. So let's go to the 4-hour, and let's just change it really quickly to a 195. If you don't know why I'm changing it to 195, just go ahead and ask me in the comments. All right, I want to keep this video super short, so let me move a little faster, guys. Sorry about that. So here it is on the 195, and I bet the 195 would have got you in there. Yep. On today, we have a coaching call today at 4:30 for my coaching group, and I know I actually can't make it today, but Mitch is going to be talking about the triple screen method, and that's where we get the 190. One of the ways we get the 195. So here, and you see we have a drop, a base, and a huge rally. Price just touched on that wick right on the open, and then it's rallied about just under $2 right now. Let's put the Fibs tool on and just see where the risk reward is. It's sitting at about 1.5 to 1. This isn't exactly a home run trade just yet. Some concerns I have is holding this. Tomorrow's Friday. Holding this over the weekend. If you're doing this with calls, great. But if we're going to try and get somewhere in here, get it to 167 and get a nice $3 to $5 move. Really need a rally tomorrow to be able to hold this over the weekend. If it doesn't happen tomorrow, I wouldn't exactly feel great. Also, I'm going to put the disclaimer in the description. But that's my 2 cents on Apple as after earnings. We got a nice gap down. It's recovered quite a bit. So that's phenomenal. So let's see if it gets back everything from yesterday. Wouldn't be shocked if it does. And then I think if we are going to get a full retracement of that whole leg down, probably going to have to happen tomorrow. So let's see what happens. I'm going to put my information in the description. There will be my call booking link if you want to see how we trade, and a link to get my three-step trading method in a guide form in the on precisiontradinglabs.com. Go ahead and take a look at that, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care.